What's up, y'all? It's NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is another Get Ready With Me Napchat. I just want to chat about things that's on my mind, you know? Whatever vomits from my mouth, I will just say it to you, okay? Are you ready? NappyFu checking in. Oh, there you go. Alright, y'all, so how you doing? Y'all got y'all makeup? Some of y'all probably eating right now. What you eating? I have been on a healthy, you know, get healthy type of, honestly, y'all, I've been on a healthy journey for the longest time. It's quite irritating. Like, I've been on this journey for what feels like forever. Okay? Recently, in the last few months, it has, things have changed, you know? I'm finding myself, I want to go like this, but I feel like my camera might try to like white balance off of here. So maybe I should go like this. Yeah, I mean, can y'all see it? So this is why I can't do eyebrows on camera, y'all. So recently, in the past few months, I have really been holding myself accountable for what I eat, okay? Like, when I say I got my fitness, I've downloaded MyFitnessPal at least 6 times. And I always delete it because I don't feel like counting no damn calories. I don't want to count no damn calories. But then finally I said to myself, clearly, working out is not my issue. It's not. Girls, sir, ice, beast it in the gym, okay? So yeah, working out, I've come to learn, it's not NappyFu's issue. It is food. Food. Hey, food. I love food, you know. Can I say I'm a foodie? I guess so. But I'm a picky foodie. Like, I don't just eat anything. You know what I'm saying? I've been making sure I eat stuff that I can actually count the calories on. Nigerian food is hard to count the calories on. So, haven't really been eating. I mean, I don't dibble and dabble that much in Nigerian food anyway, because I really can't track that. And even when I wasn't counting my calories, I wasn't eating a lot of Nigerian food, but the ones that I was eating consistently is moi moi. And that's actually a healthy dish. So I do have moi moi. Moi moi is nothing but beans. It's like a bean. It's healthy. Moi moi, however you want to pronounce it, is healthy. It's a lot of fiber. Gets that system going. Hey, number 2, all day. No, I'm joking. Not all day. Maybe like half the day. Food is, hi, my God, something you love so much, and you're trying to reach a healthy type of goal. It's like a catch-22. It can make or break you. It can be good. It can be horribly bad. It just depends on how you work it. I guess you could say I kind of do a little bit of intermittent fasting too, because I won't eat past a certain time. I will start eating at a certain time, and I won't eat past a certain time. What time do I start eating? Naturally, my body does not start eating until about 12, 1 o'clock. So I do what they call the 16-8, 16 hours of no eating, 8 hours of eating. So 12, 1 o'clock, that means I'm not eating past, what's that, 8 p.m. And sometimes by 8 p.m. I'm full, so I'm not even eating regardless. So that's what I do. And I'm starting to see changes, y'all. So who else is on a weight loss journey? What have you been doing? Are you seeing results? Give us the deets in the comment box below. You know, 2018, a lot of us trying to get right and tight. You know what I'm saying? Trying to stay that way, right? You don't want to you don't want to have to result to going to get any type of surgery or any kind of crap like that. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I thought about it. I could just slide to Dr. Miami real quick, or somebody's plastic surgeon, get this fat sucked the hell out, and come right back. Come right on back to H-Town like nothing happened. There's definitely healthier alternatives, you know what I mean? And I always try to take the healthier alternative, because I just think to myself, well, when I have kids, by the grace of God, may I be snatched back queen. Snatch back queen, okay? I want to have that snatch back, and I want my kids, my daughter, to be like, Mama, look at you back in the day. Even now, Mama, you still look good. How you do that? I don't want to say, well, here goes the doctor's name. Hope I'm not offending anyone, because I don't mean to offend anybody. It's just my thoughts.
The unknown that I'm falling, said I'm falling. I said I'm falling.
So y'all, I recently got into cryptocurrency. I don't know if y'all heard about it, but it's a big thing now. It's called the one that everybody talks about a lot is Bitcoin. Still learning it, y'all. I can't say I know everything about it. I know I just got a couple of coins, okay? I wish I would have got it. First, like everybody else, I wish I would have got it when it was cheaper. I don't even have a whole coin because that stuff is like 14,000, 15,000. Who got that money? I don't. But I do have a couple of light coins, and I have a few of those, like a full coin. With Bitcoin, I have percentages of it because, you know, I can't afford the whole thing just yet. That time is coming. Ding! I feel like it's a great direction to go in. If you haven't heard about it, definitely look into it, y'all. It's called cryptocurrency, okay? If you just simply type in crypt on YouTube, you'll see several videos pop up about it because it's a pretty big thing. It's a great way to solidify a future for not just yourself, but your future, but your kids, you know? Just get into it. It's like one of those things that you invest in and leave it alone. Leave it alone, especially if you're going to get a Bitcoin. Leave it alone. Don't think about it. Let it just sit because Bitcoin is going nowhere. It's like digital currency, basically. There are places like in China and everywhere else where you can actually use Bitcoin to pay for something. Somebody, I forgot which YouTuber it is, but he used cryptocurrency to pay for a whole car, I think it was a Benz or a BMW or something. If you see me coming going like that, it's because I had back day yesterday and my back is just disrespectfully painful right now. So yeah, I definitely want to encourage y'all to look into it and get into it. I'm just saying, I haven't made a lot yet, but I made something, and I really believe it. Like, the more I study it, the more I'm like, wow, okay. So get into it, y'all. If you're into stocks, you know all about cryptocurrency, girl, sir, let us know that comment box below. Let me know some people that you follow that gives really good advice, gives you really good forecasts for the day for what stocks to look out for, what coins to look for. Let your girl know below. Right now, the coins that I currently am invested in is Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, if I say that right. I got Bitcoin Cash, IOTA, and ADA. I think that's Cardona. And I'm about to buy one called Fuel. So I'm going to get that. So if y'all have any, in case you didn't know, this is the coins you're looking out for type of tips, or in case you didn't know, this is the stocks you're looking out for type of tips, let me know, and everybody else who was trying to make it in the comment box below, let us know. Yo, this eyebrow is giving me life right now. Do y'all understand? Look at that arch. So y'all, I got this box from Elf. I kind of already opened it. I want to do like an open box thing, but I figured let me just... And they sent me these silicone blenders, y'all. They sent me these silicone blenders. And I'm not sure how to use it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a dedicated video to this. First time using, and you know, we just kind of test it out together. Something else they did send me was these lip transformations. So I am going to use this in this video today because I definitely love me a good lippy. I love me some Elf. I love their brushes mainly. I had got this whole Elf set. It's like 20 of these kind of brushes. Got it from my homegirl living with Osai. She gave it to me because she thought I would love them. She knows I'm still new on my whole makeup journey, so she sent me a whole brush set. I'm telling you, y'all, it is good to have good friends. Most importantly, it's good to be good. When you good things come to you. I'm just saying. So, y'all, I don't know, y'all. Can I tell you? Okay, so I've been in love one time. I was so in love with this guy, like, but he wasn't serious about life. He didn't want to go to school and wasn't even trying to, like, get a really good job to constitute for the fact that he didn't go to school. He was fine working a regular smuggler job, living check to check, and calling a day. Not knocking anybody who likes that. I'm not knocking any woman who's okay with a guy who wants that. I'm not knocking any man who's okay with a woman that wants that. I'm just not that person. I want you to want more. Been in love one time. I've been heartbroken one time. So 1 and 1. Is that bad? Like, is it bad that I only been in love one time, y'all? Been heartbroken one time. Heartbroken, I think that's good that I only been heartbroken one time. But it can be bad because that means, am I truly opening myself in these relationships that I get in? So I figured the next time I'm in love would be the person who I get married to. I think I'm getting a little bit better with my makeup, y'all. What you think? Only parts I still struggle with, and I don't even really practice it enough. My eyelids, y'all. I'm not good with eyeshadow. I just kind of leave it like it is. All right, y'all. So now I have to figure out my hair, and I think I'm gonna split this up. I'm gonna do my hair in another Get Ready With Me video. I really feel like it brings out that chocolatiness. Okay. So I might be also going for this straight hair wig that I chopped all the way up. All right, y'all. So this is the end of this Get Ready With Me Napchat, but there's definitely another one coming. I hope you are comfortable with the topics I talked about today because, you know, I got even more personal. And, you know, and technically, I am sharing this to thousands of y'all that I don't see face to face. So don't make me regret it, okay? But, you know, then again, I want you to be free to say your opinions. It's okay. I'm cool with that, okay, y'all? I asked a lot of Napchat questions in between today's video, so make sure you answer some of them. Now, the ultimate Napchat question is, what topics would you like me to address in upcoming Get Ready With Me Napchats? Give me some ideas, some stuff to be talking about. It doesn't have to be in the beauty sector. It can be outside of it, and I will greatly appreciate your input. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch you on the next one. Remember to have healthy skin, face, spirit, soul, all of that. Do healthy things. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you